Hello. Today we are going to go to HomeGoods or Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington, those types of stores and see if I can find high-end home decor that is of my aesthetic. To be honest with you, I don't have the best of luck at those places, but let's see if we can find some things, and if I do, we'll come back and do some styling. All right, let's go. To be honest, I had no idea HomeGoods carried sofas. This is a full leather sofa. Okay, this is nice. I would probably paint that or do something with it. I don't like the terracotta color. Ooh, that tray is very glam. That's a hard pass for me. $25 for a brass set of silverware. That's honestly a pretty good deal. I don't know about the quality, but still a good deal. This is the cutest thing in the world. So I like the concept of these. The shades are looking a little wonky though. Crooked. Also, I think they look used, but I kind of like them though. No luck with any artwork today. However, this mirror that I spotted had a nice border to it, sort of a round mirror. That would be pretty cool in a console or such. That's a pretty neat side table. I feel like I could totally DIY this. Should I DIY this? Let me know. Okay, so do you see that console table right there? I kind of like it. I don't like the wood. I'd probably stain it black. That's a gem. I wonder how much it costs. Just make things fit in here. Okay, so I found a couple of things. I'm not fully convinced by them if I'm gonna keep them or not, but let's see what we can do. Style them at home. Next up, I made a stop at Marshall's, which is another discount store, kind of like HomeGoods, but they also sell clothing. Found some really neat wooden things, but first, a message from today's video sponsor. Oh, do I have some tea for you? No, literally, I have some tea. This is Tea Forte. I discovered them a couple of years ago when I was a barista, and I have loved them ever since. I'm gonna try the Paradis gift set. And if you haven't heard, Tea Forte makes the most beautiful, delicious teas. And by the way, they also sell loose leaf tea, gift sets, and lots of other great things. All right, I'm gonna have some ginger lemongrass. You're gonna love this. So they have this iconic pyramid infuser with a cute little leaf at the top. It's such an experience. My favorite part, just opening it up. We'll just take this here. By the way, I already washed this. And then we just put the lid on there and we wait a couple minutes. In the meantime, let's talk about the Paradis gift set. So this is the newest collection. Of course, a really great gift idea, or if you want to try it for yourself and kind of get a taste of the different flavors and see which one you like. Amazing as always. It's always such an experience. I love Tea Forte. Yes, I do have a promo code for you. For a limited time, you can get 25% off your order. I'll go ahead and put it here on the screen or check in the description as well as the link just to make it easier for you. And thanks again to Tea Forte for partnering in today's video. Seriously, I have been a fan for years. I know you're gonna love it and be a great gift for someone you love too. Look at the cute little legs on this, I guess, tray. Isn't that pretty neat? Be good on a counter. Also, hello, look at this vase. You bet it came home with me. Do we like this? It's got some nice cane on there. You know I have a thing for cane on bowls or vases. Surprisingly found something, so let's head on over to Ross. Kitchen signs that say kitchen on them, that's a no from me. This mirror, however, I am loving. Only $30 for this sort of brass golden oval mirror. Isn't that neat? Is this a yeah or a nah? I think it's a yeah in my case. What about this? $20 for this? I think it's marble. I don't know. That's all. Let's head home. Hi friend, welcome back. So I'm back home. I realized I actually found a lot of gems. I was pleasantly surprised. Did not think I was gonna find anything, to be honest with you, but I did. First up, let's get started with what's behind me. Yes, let me go get it. So this is the vase I found. This was from Marshalls. It's sort of this like, I don't think it's handmade, but it has sort of this handmade look to it. Kind of very wabi-sabi, organic, not so perfect, and I absolutely loved it. I actually made this dried floral arrangement, so let me show you how to make this. This was from Marshalls. It was $29.99. It's such a beautiful vase. It has sort of this organic look to it. It looks handmade. I don't know if it's actually handmade. Kind of like a wabi-sabi vase, I would almost call it. I'm gonna do some dried florals, and actually A-Flor kindly sent some over. I'm gonna use some of those. Start off with some floral tape. Okay, so this vase actually has some like texture on it, so it's hard for the tape to stick on. So I'm using one of these vases from Dollar Tree. I love these for this reason, so I can just like throw it in there. So let's just go ahead and put that aside. So this one's called Dried Balba Pearl Millet Grass Bunch. I hope I said that correctly. By the way, I will link all of these in the description, which I know they might sell out fast, but either way, I'll still put them there. I'm gonna use my bonsai shears just to alter the height. All right, now we're gonna use some of these brown bunny tails, as you can see. So again, I'm just gonna stick them in there, kind of vary the different heights. And a tip for this is like, you know, sometimes they have like this grass sticking up. I like to just take it off. Just have the stem. Ooh, that looks real nice. I'm going to add some of this. So this is called Brown Dried Queen Anne's Lace. So it has sort of this like bulbous tip. It's amazing what you can do with like dried florals. Shall we keep going? Why not? Let's keep going. So actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside the vase already. So that, carefully. I love it. I think this in itself is good. What if we add some filler? Now, I also have this. I don't think I'll use all of it for this, but maybe we can add just a little bit just to kind of give it some volume right here. I love it. Look at this bowl. Isn't it neat? It has the 3 legs, little hat too. It is stained or painted. I think it's stained black, which is pretty cool. It has a simple, kind of like an organic like feel, but a very modern shape, as you can see here. Something that I think is trending for $20 from HomeGoods, I think is a steal. Lots of applications for this. I mean, probably not food safe, but such a cute little bowl, don't you think? Speaking of bowls, this is another one. So I found this one at Marshall's, also $20. And this is actually walnut finished wood. It is food safe. And I don't know, I just like the dark color of it. Of course, great for like the kitchen, but also for decor. I can put some moss balls in here. Okay, so this is the wooden bowl. It's actually food safe. It's walnut finished. So I'm gonna use it as a decorative bowl, and I could fill this with a lot of things. I'm just gonna put some moss balls. So I actually got these from a store called At Home last year, At Home Superstore. Maybe I'll see if I can link them below, but you put them there, and I think that looks nice. I ordered some on Amazon a few weeks ago. I just did not like them. They look very, I don't know, the color green was very off for me, and I don't know, I'm very particular about the color of moss. So I think something like this could look pretty nice, like on a coffee table, and just kind of create a little moment. Kind of looks like something from RH, but a fraction of the cost, of course. Very simple. I'm gonna be honest with you, I almost did not buy this. I might actually return it, I don't know. But it's this. So this is a chain, a chunky chain. It's something that I think is trending. I see this with like stone and wood and all sorts of things. This is just like black metal. I just don't understand, like, what do you do with it? Like, you just put it on top of some books or on a bowl? I challenged myself to try it out for myself, and this is what I came up with. Since we're already here, let's do some coffee table styling. Let me go get some books. I'm gonna put this chain, which, if we're being honest, I don't really understand the whole chain styling thing. Like, I don't really get it. Put it on top of the books. I don't know. So yeah, what are your thoughts? Should I keep it or should I return it? I'll just drop that. I'm returning this. So I basically bought a weapon and it's this tray right here. So this has sharp edges. Like I cut myself with this, but this was $17 from HomeGoods, and it has what I like about it. So it's black metal, but I like the handles. It has just a simple cane detail. So we'll put this like here. It's kind of scratched, so I don't really know. Either way, not a bad deal for $17. I'm kind of addicted to checkered board lately, just like checkered patterns. I have these like handmade knobs that I ordered in my built-in in the living room, and just other DIYs that I kind of have done some checkered projects that I recently did a mirror, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. And let's add on to that. And I got this. These are coasters, as if I need more coasters, but I just had to get them. I love it. You know, it has some wood, has that checkered detail. I don't know, I think it's fun. And then on the tray, I could put these coasters. I could just like put them like this. We'll use these candles. So this is the drift candle holder by Muda Studio. It's the architecture firm I worked in. So a little bit of a brass detail. Yeah, why not? All right, that's it. Very simple. Let's take a look at the final photos or video. Okay, what are these called? Are these called mortise and pestles? Pedestals? Mortal and pestles? I don't know. What I found this. I don't know if it's solid marble or quartzite, but something like this, perfect for styling in the kitchen. Not necessarily the kitchen. It could probably go well on top of some like books or on the coffee table. I really like this, and only $9.99. Hand wash only. What are your thoughts on this? Hey man, how's it going? So this is David. I'm sure you are familiar with David. So I don't know, are we still doing head busts? Like, is that still a thing, or are we done with it? I don't know. I'm still going 50-50 on this if I'm gonna return it or not. But what got me was this big head. Like, it's bigger than my head. I think this is pretty interesting. It is resin though. I think it's probably resin. It's not that heavy and it's just white. If I were to keep this, I might just give it some patina. I think it's just too newish, and so maybe like a lime wash on there, or just a little bit of like beige, watered down beige, and kind of dabbing it on there just to give it sort of that faux patina. What are your thoughts? Yay or nay? Speaking of head bust, I also found this one. This one's also so beautiful. So this is, I'm not exactly sure who this is, but I think she is incredible. She has just very elegant, and also it's made out of resin. So this was $12.99. I mean, as you can, I should probably put this down, but so this one, by the way, was $50, which I don't know, I think it's fine. This was $12.99. So this one was actually from Ross, and the white one was from HomeGoods. And of course, a bust is screaming to be put on a pedestal. It reminds me of like an art gallery or a museum. Just very, very intentional. Of course, you know I love to do a lot of DIYs on this channel, and lately I've been all about kind of experimenting with pieces that kind of are more architecturally interesting, maybe more geometric and such. And so when I saw this, I was like, ooh, this is fascinating. So these are, I guess, candle holders. So it's funny, this large one was on clearance for $9. This one was $20. So combined $29. I put this in the bathroom just to see if I would like it. I think it's fine. The color is sort of like a terracotta color. It has some texture, but I do love sort of this like fluting, is that what we're calling it? Ribbed detail. I wouldn't necessarily put a candle on top of it. I would just set these as is for styling, just to kind of, again, introduce something interesting. Did you know that HomeGoods sells coffee table books? Well, they do. I got this book, Gray Malin, which is a photographer. So this book is all about Gray Malin's photography, lots of really fun, just like color, just, I don't know exactly. I'm not very familiar with Gray's work, but it's kind of nice seeing all of this. Like, look at that, these butterflies. I think the brightness is too high on the camera, but perfect for coffee table styling. Just get some inspiration. Oh my, these these sheep are colored. I hope that's photoshopped. I don't know if people actually dyed sheep. Either way, love it. Really like the side profile too. You know, got the black and white letters, and it's a pretty big book. I actually found it on Amazon and I think it's on sale right now. So of course we'll link this below if you're looking for like a large book for styling and looking for something maybe more affordable, just different than the Tom Ford book. Now at those discount stores, I will occasionally find some furniture like a cute like side table or something like that. No luck today, but I did come across this. So this is from Marshall's. I mean, after looking at this in my space, and sometimes you have to bring things into your space and kind of see the context to understand if it's gonna work or not. I think I'm gonna return this. It's just too orangey for my liking. I mean, on camera it's looking more orange than in person, but still, it's just, I don't know. Maybe like gel staining over this with like a Java color or something of that nature. But I do love this like hand woven, what do we call this? Wicker rope, perhaps? I'm not sure. This was only $19.99 at Marshall's. So if you're looking for a little stool like this, which these are perfect for like just putting wherever. I mean, putting it like next to your like coffee table, kind of like a nesting table moment of a larger coffee table. Maybe put this like at your sofa, by the sofa, and like you could put your feet up on it and don't put it on the coffee table. But again, I'm not a big fan of the color. I will say there was at least like 30 of these. I think they had just stocked them up. You know, they always have cheap candles at those discount stores. Oh, this smells nice. Smell it. So this is, of course, eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus. I'm a fan of those candles that have more of like a natural scent, not so fragrancy, perfumey, you know what I mean? So this one's pretty good and only $6.99. I just remembered I also got a planter. It's outside. It's pretty big. Let me go get it. All right, so this is the planter that I got. It has these like, what are these called? I know they're used for like strawberries and stuff, but this is only $25. Now, of course, this is for the, I'm gonna use this outside, but if you're to take something like this and bring it inside, it's basically like an old vintage pottery thing that you can like paint over and give it some patina if you'd like. So sometimes you can go into the garden section and find things that are maybe of a larger scale and kind of have like a better quality for a lower price. Is that everything? Yeah, I think that's everything. I don't know how long this video is. Maybe it's a short one. Who knows? But thanks for coming along and shopping with me. Let me know some of the things that you have found lately at HomeGoods or any of those stores. I probably should have hit up Burlington. I used to find some things there. I feel like I'm rambling. I think it's time to go. I'm hungry. It's dinner time. Of course, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below. Let me know which of these pieces was your favorite or what you're currently looking for. Thanks again to Tea Forte for partnering in today's video. I absolutely love their tea and I know you're gonna love it too. Thanks again and I will see you in the next video. Bye. No, but seriously, isn't this pretty neat? I think this would be great for like a wedding or some sort of event. Maybe more for fall, I don't know, but I absolutely love this.